to your summertime table, then this is the way to do it. We have a beautiful oversized 2-quart pitcher, pour spout here in the front, nice oversized handle in our basket weave pattern that has layer upon layer of not only sculptural detail, but then the hand painting of the red, white, and blue firework that run all the way around. You even have that stitching that looks just perfect with your basket. We included a spoon, so when you're stirring your things up, perfect. It can still go in the dishwasher. It goes in the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher to clean it, which we love. So no matter what you're serving up, this is the way to do it in style.
Tara, this picture is a piece of artwork, and when I see it and then I see the clearance price, it's less than $25 today. What? It's on 3 easy payments of $8.32. I mean, I'm going to get to pouring. Can you talk to this decoration is going to cause a catastrophe. Can you? Well, you know me. I'm a little clumsy in the kitchen. But Tara, when it comes to the details here, I keep referring to basket weave as textural, but I don't think that does it enough justice. Can you kind of walk us through what that means?
I agree with you. So. And truly, the manufacturing process around this, in that mold are these infused sculptural details, right? Like the basket weave, like the fireworks that go around it. It is a very complicated process. And what happens in doing a completely sculptural piece is that when you release it from the mold, it actually creates a roadmap for the artisans to go and hand paint. So this picture that looks beautiful to you is hours upon hours of painstakingly removing it from the mold, letting it dry, then painting it, firing it, painting it again, firing it, so that you get all the multiple colors. You get that beautiful glass glaze, that oversized handle, Mary, that beautiful pour spout. These are the things that are so important to me. I obsess over these pieces. I drive everybody crazy. The handle's too small. The handle's too big. I don't like the pour spout. It's dripping. There's so many things that by the time it comes to sit on your table, it better absolutely be perfect. And if you picked up our patriotic bamboo set, look how beautiful to layer this just on the tray that we have here. I tucked in one of our beautiful wine glasses that coordinate back with it. I grabbed the blue. So again, what I love so much about the show is you literally can mix and match everything in it and have the perfectly kick off to summer, or as Lisa likes to say, spring into summer table.
Oh, I love it.
You like that?
She's so good. You know what I love about
so
the design of this too, because the handle is so oversized. I'm pouring Bloody Marys right now, which, as you know, can run a little thicker, a little heavier, a little bit more precarious. You can actually hang on to the top of the handle and hold the spoon with your thumb while you're pouring, so you don't have to worry about that clanking around or falling out of anything. I mean, the design aspects here on your pitcher are not only beautiful, but I need to remind everybody too that this is a clearance price, and here at QVC, a clearance price means no reorder. So less than $25, 3 easy payments. That's it. So if you want it, now's the time to pick it up. This holds 2 quarts.
Yeah, it's a nice, generous, oversized. And for me, there's something about a pitcher. I just remember always going to my grandmother's, and she always had a beautiful pitcher with a nice belly that you see, a nice oversized handle. And we had iced tea and we had lemonade. And it was kind of her way of us just stealing a moment where we could sit together and talk together. And those are some of my fondest moments. That's what this brand is all about. It is truly about getting everybody to slow down. Which right now we've been forced to do, get everybody back around the table. And if these pieces do that, if they inspire you to maybe create that moment with your grandmother or your granddaughter, or share that smile across the table with your family, then these are the pieces that you want to layer in, because they become part of every experience, and you look forward to taking them out year after year, day after day.
Oh, I agree. So this is H218772. It is on a clearance price, so there's no reorder planned at this time. There's 3 easy payments of $8.32. And again, the spoon will never fall in. You don't have to dig the spoon out of the pitcher because it's taller. Love that. Don't forget, we had the bamboo party bucket. We've already lost 1 option. Gray is now last call. There are only about 200 remaining in that gray, and we're about to light the phone lines up even